Have you ever tried holding your breath underwater? You have to come back up fast. But fish don't. They stay underwater all day. So, how are they breathing right now? When you breathe, your lungs fill with air, your chest moves in and out. You need air, which is full of oxygen, to live. Fish need oxygen too, but there's no air underwater, so where do they find it? Look closely at the side of a fish's head. See those little slits? Those are called gills. Gills are special breathing parts. First, the fish opens its mouth. This lowers the pressure inside its head. Water rushes in. Then the mouth closes, the pressure rises, and the water is pushed across the gills in one smooth direction. Inside the gills are thousands of tiny folds called filaments. Each filament is covered in even tinier plates. Inside those plates are tiny blood vessels. Blood is flowing through them right now. This is where oxygen moves from water into blood. Gills don't trap oxygen like a sponge traps water. They let oxygen pass through very thin walls. The thinner the wall, the easier oxygen moves through it. This movement is called diffusion. Water may look empty, but oxygen is dissolved between water molecules. There is much less oxygen in water than in air, so fish must move a lot of water to get enough. Water enters the mouth, flows across the gills. Blood inside the gills flows the opposite direction. This opposite flow keeps oxygen moving the whole time. It's called countercurrent exchange. But what would happen if the water stopped moving? The fish would not get enough oxygen. That's why many fish keep moving or keep pumping their mouths. They must keep water flowing. Oxygen travels in the blood to the muscles, to the brain, to every tiny cell. Inside the cells, oxygen helps release energy from food. Without oxygen, cells cannot make energy. Gills are like tiny living filters. Water flows past. Oxygen slips through. Life keeps moving. Every river, every lake, every ocean, quietly full of dissolved oxygen, helping millions of fish breathe every second. So fish don't breathe water. They breathe oxygen inside the water, using gills instead of lungs. That's what has been secretly happening all along. Next time you see a fish, look at its gills and wonder, how do other animals breathe underwater? See you on our next adventure.
Welcome to Mini Docs for Kids, where curiosity leads the way.